Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you a little overlooked feature of Flipgrid that can be really helpful for students, and that's this little sticky note option. Students can click on that and write out some bullet points of what they want to say in their videos before they start recording. So, you might say, this video will be reflections on learning this week. And they might put in some highlights of, Google Earth measurements. And app development. Just a few little bullet points that they want to talk about. And then when they go to record, they'll be able to see those sticky notes as they're talking, and talk about those parts. And when they're done, just like any other Flipgrid video, they'll stop it, hit the next button, they'll be able to see the, and do their selfies with lots of fun stickers. And submit it. Now when that video plays back, that sticky note doesn't appear. That sticky note was there purely to help students as they recorded. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.